Hey, what's up guys? This is the Review 85. I have a new product in my description. There will be a link and where to buy in my description. Okay, so today I have Lube-N-Walk. It's a wand to lube your treadmill. Sometimes you need to lube it. At least try to do it once a month and it will make the belt last longer. So the box comes just like this. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Easy to use. No messy hands, remove dirt, reduce costly repairs, prolong motor life, and prolong belt life. Okay, in this product, you will get your lube, your wand, and a tool, and you have the instructions. So let's get it open, show you what it looks like, then I will apply it to the treadmill and show you how to do it. Okay, inside the box is empty. Get lubrication. This is the lube you will use. You get your tool so you can adjust your belt. This is the wand. This is the one you will slide under it and bring it back and forth, which I will show you in a couple minutes. It comes with little foam. You will apply the lube on one side, put it in, and lube it. Then you'll walk on it for at least 5 minutes so the lube can spread. They also send you a little invoice so you can order more, and your instructions how you should use the lube and how to do it. So of course you unplug the treadmill, show the diagram and tell you to put one side with lube, put it under the treadmill from the front, slide it back, push it front, back, and then you'll get on it for 5 minutes and you'll walk it out. So back and forth about 2 or 3 times, and that's about it, and your thing will be lubed. Good thing about this is comes 2 little handles, so because they sell other ones that you have to spray, you have to loosen the belt, you got to go through a lot more process. This one right here, you don't have to do all that. Just lube it, put it under, and you're good to go. So I'm going to take my camera over next to the treadmill, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Check it out. Alright, so you at your treadmill. Make sure you try to save your little bag, because you want to put your wand back in here so it could stay moist. Okay, you have your tool. You have 2 screws, Allen wrench in these 2 holes. So that's how you loosen your belt, or if you have to change your belt. Okay, so you will grab your lube, this little bottle, and you put it on one side, not on both, just on one side. And that one side that you put the lube, you will put it towards down, so it looks just the way it looks. Okay, so you pour it. Says try to do it towards the middle, the whole wand. Okay, I'll put a little extra. Try to do the same thing as the diagram. So you have your, try to bring it down a little more. So you have your bottle separated. 1 month, 2, second month, 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month. So if you can see here, I still need a little more. to end up with the first month. So I'm gonna pour a little more. Okay, that should be fine. So this will be my first month. It's all lubed. So now you have to get this under your belt with the lube side down. Okay. Okay. You can see there. Get a little closer. Your wand is in. Okay. I will need a new belt sooner or later. But your wand is in. So you grab from both sides. You bring it down. Bring it all the way to the top. Okay. Bring it back down. All the way to the bottom. Bring it back up. Bring it back down. So it does take the headache of taking your belt, loosen it, try to get under to spray. It does take that headache away. I never have did this, so I'm gonna go a couple more times just to make sure it's all good. Go like this, so okay. Make sure the lube that I took is all out, and okay, next month I will do it less. Okay, so the lube is all done. You can see that it looks a little dirty. So now so the machine is all lubed. You grab your wand, you put it in your little bag that they gave you so it can stay moist. Okay, so now, like I said, gotta get on the treadmill, walk it out for maybe 5 minutes so the lube can get everywhere. Okay, your final step will be to walk it out. So you gotta walk it so it can turn it on. So now you gotta walk it so it can spread the lube. Don't gotta go fast. Go nice and slow, and I'll show you exactly what to do. Start moving. You walk it out. I'm gonna put it about 2, and you can see that I have to walk like I'm drunk, so it can get squished everywhere. The lube. We do about 5 minutes of this. And so this is what you do. You do it about 5 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm gonna stop the video so I can finish doing this. Okay, so did about 5 minutes, saw oiled, all lubed, good to go. So far, first time ever buying lube, but I think that's the way to go. Like I said, in my description there will be a link and where to buy. I think this is the way to go. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.